And again, he is part of the Africans for the African Family Destiny. We're blessed to have a sister that just walked in that I met at this Africa for the African, and she's part of the Africa for the African Family. I'd like for Sister Sharita to please come up and just be a part of what we're doing. Come, Sharita, you know you're not shy. She's on TV3, you're on TV. Yeah. Have a seat right here, Sharita.
I'm trying to be quiet, but I
you know,
just came out the bush.
It's okay. Okay, for those that don't know Sharita, Sharita came with Brother Bumani a few years back, and she has moved here with her family and done an excellent job in terms of her investment in health. And she has completed at least 2 of the conference on health and wellness. And she's done a lot of great work in Ghana. So we're blessed to have her here. And I'd like for you all to at least communicate with her. So she's a pioneer sister in terms of what she's doing. Every time I look up, she's on one of the TV stations, Ghana Television. Her best friend, somehow or another, Eric, our friend, he had us on TV3, and all of a sudden Eric's show went under or whatever, over, and those other people came on, and she moved to the other stations. So again, I'm thankful, Sharita, that you're here, and you know, we're going to do some things. At this time, we'd like to bring forth something that was on our heart, okay? It's a surprise that we have for all of you here. It's a surprise and it's a blessing that's getting ready to go out. You know, I mentioned Dr. Leon Sullivan, and Sister Sass, you know the work that he did, and I'm glad that you understood.
Absolutely.
How we brought thousands of our people home. Well, we're getting ready to step it up. We're getting ready to bring, together, we're going to bring thousands of our people home. And we're going to do that by, first of all, acknowledging one of the people that has been really consistent in bringing people home. Because it's not easy to bring people home. And I want to thank all of you that came on this trip with Brother Bumani. At this particular time, we're going to give Brother Bumani a certificate of appreciation for all the work that he's done. He doesn't know about this. From the diasporic community of Ghana, people of Ghana,
That's good.
at the highest level. Brother Bumani, will you please come and accept your certificate that's signed by the elders in the White Tower? And it basically says, this is to show Bumani that we appreciate the good work that he has been doing over the past years in bringing many of African children home to Africa and to help develop Ghana and Mother Africa, the Garden of Eden.
I appreciate the family. Thank you.
Now, there's more, okay? To show our appreciation, the elders in the Watchtower, those of us in the diaspora, is committed to helping to bring at least one person each on the next trip that he brings. And we are asking you to stand in the spirit, to just say, hey, go on the trip with Brother Bumani. Can I see a raise of hand, those that's willing to say, I'm willing to push people toward his website to bring at least one additional people with them? Let me see your hand.
That's easy.
And again, it's not an easy thing, because I'm there, and I want to also acknowledge his staff. Brother Quabbin, will you please stand? Brother Peter, those that have been helping him on this side, and that's Sister Sad, will you please stand? I just want you to give all of the appreciation. So Brother Bumani, your load just got a little lighter, but don't give up, okay? Continue to do what you're doing, but now we're committed to joining Africa for the Africans and pushing this to all of our people. We got 40 million people over there of color and counting. And you know, we can bring a few thousand home. Our lawyer just came in. Brother Noah, will you please come, because we want you to answer a few questions. Okay. Okay. Oh, as he comes, Brother Brian Lowe, will you please stand? We do the honor.
Greetings.
Okay.
Greetings.
I came in with Ray Alexander. He's here from Atlanta, but he owns the Brian Lowe Orthopedic Hospital, which used to be called Punta Quinte in Mampong, in the mountains near Abri. I'm not sure if you guys got a chance to go to Abri side since you've been here. Yeah, so he's the owner of the hospital there. It's a hospital that his father built and then left it into his hands. And it's a big project. It's a $5 million hospital. I wanted to point it out because I know this is an investment group, and you need to know the people who have actually been here on the grounds, invested in the kind of money that's gone into the grounds from diasporans, you know, from around. He's originally from Grenada, but then grew up in New York, and then he's in Atlanta. So the people who are in Atlanta, he's the owner of Cascade.
Yeah.
Golden Glide, yeah. So Mr. Greg Alexander, I just wanted to point him out. Yeah.
Thanks, Greg. So we're thankful, you know, because, you know, many times they ask, your group's coming down, I see Africa for the African coming every, what are they investing? Sharita's a great investor.
Yes, she is.
Okay, I mean to invest in what are some of the investments that you just briefly?
Well, the festival is enough. The
Great
festival within itself.
She brought one of the great sisters here, the Queen of Four, at her invitation. You know, Queen of Four has a lot of knowledge.
Absolutely.
Okay, she brought Queen of Four. Okay, there are other investments that she's doing that she's a little shy, but millions. Noah, sometimes you ask, are they investing? You know, as a lawyer, you want to know the investments are there. Okay, I have a 50-acre farm. But the thing is, we're going to be bringing children and people to come out of the West to get on the land because we're an agrarian people. We're not city people. We was put in the Garden of Eden, not the city of New York. We're not city people. We belong with the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees. So let us get close to nature because that's us. We are natural people. Brother Walik, would you please stand? Walik has moved to Ghana, but he's in and out a lot. He has his family here from New York, permanently attached to Ghana. That's just a Walik. That's an investment. Taking care of family here, raising his children here, and it's not easy, but we're thankful. At this time, we're not going to keep long, but Noah, I would like for our lawyer to stand and to say a couple of words to us. Brother Noah, our lawyer, Africa got his own lawyer. You understand?